This is the car where we are going to show you the vehicle tracking system installation.
Installation of a vehicle tracking system. We have here is a cigarette lighter of the car. Okay. The power connector of the vehicle tracking system is to be inserted into the cigarette lighter. Power on the car. The unit comes to life. The GPS antenna has to be placed on the dashboard or look for a suitable place, but it has to be kept in this direction. It has to be facing the sky. The GPS antenna requires clear view of the sky. The unit is now ready for use.
GSM antenna.
The GSM antenna can be placed anywhere along the side of the unit. This unit can be placed in a secure location under the dashboard of the car. A username and password will be given to you, and one can log onto the website and check the location of the vehicle tracker on a map. Okay.